Little Penguin and Friends. Little Penguin has no one to play with. Why don't you build a snow den? Says Mommy Penguin. Little Penguin uses his tiny wings to make a giant pile of fluffy white snow. Feel Little Penguin's soft wings.
Okay na.
That looks fun. Say, Little Polar Bear, can I help my paws? Are good for digging. Little Polar Bear digs a cave in the giant snow pile. Feel Little Polar Bear, furry paws and fur. Do you need help? Asked Little Seal. My fins and tail. My fins and tail are perfect for painting patting snow. Little Seal pats the snow then until it is smooth and hard. Feel a seal fine fins and tail. Can I help too? Asked Little Fox Pup. My tail can sweep away the snow. Little Fox Pup sweep the snow away until the path is clear. Feel Little Fox Pup, floppy tail and coat. And now Little Penguin has 3 friends to play with in their new